Now for this Java 8, we need to have our IDE. For the IDE, either you can use the Eclipse, the IntelliJ, or the NetBeans. So for the NetBeans installation, we need to have the NetBeans download. Let's try to look for here, and we have here the first one. So we have the different versions of NetBeans, and either you can choose any of these, but for me, I want to choose this one. Press this download. Then if your installation is not um or if your binary is not downloaded automatically, we can download it here manually. So our installer is to be downloaded. I have already downloaded the NetBeans IDE on my computer, and it is here. Mm, and okay, to install this one, you just simply follow the prompt. The default installation is good. And yes, I have already installed in my computer the NetBeans IDE. So it's version 8.0.2.